Oh.
What have you done? What's this? What's that? Bunny? What's this? What have you done? What have you done?
What have you done, Bonnie?
Bunny.
Who did it? Did Jazz do it? Jazzy girl, did you do it? Jazzy girl, who did it? Miller, Miller, look at me. Miller, look at me. Did you eat off the counter? Hey, did you eat off the counter? Did you? Did you eat off the counter? Are you supposed to do that?
Did you make this mess and tear up that Christmas present? Did you do this? Did Lily do that? Did she do this? I think you did.
Не стыдно тебе вот? А? И что делать с тобой теперь? А? Что делать с тобой теперь? Что? Вот сюда прибежала. Она какала в другом месте. Ай-яй-яй.
Are you sleeping in Sierra's bed? Are you? Are you? Have you been sleeping in Sissy's bed? Have you? Yes, you have. Oh.
Ziggy, was that you that ate out of the garbage? Ziggy, who pulled garbage out and ate it? Was that you? You have that guilty sit going on right now. You chewed up the garbage.
What is this? What is this? You tore up my trash. What are you doing? What is this? Hunter. What are you doing?
Those are my good boys, but they weren't very good today because somebody chewed up Mom's underpants. Who was it? Who was it?
Wonder who did this. Was this you? Did you do this?
Yeah? Are you sure you're a good boy? Huh? Did you eat poop today, Fido? Did you eat poop? Uh-huh. I knew it.
Halo, did you do that to the pillow? To my Bosco pillow, did you do that? Halo? What is that? Did you do that?
Charlie, did you do that? Huh? What is that? What is that? Charlie. Bad dog. Bad dog, Charlie.
Is this the Elmo chair? What'd you do to that Elmo chair? Huh? You're naughty. That is naughty. What did you do to that Elmo chair? Huh? What did you do? What did you do to that Elmo chair? Naughty.
You're a bad boy, Blue. Bad boy. Did you do that? Did you do that, Blue? Jackson. What is this? What is this? Did you chew this book up? Did ya? Are you gonna look at me? Jax. Jax.
Who did this? Huh? Is this you, Noah? Did you do this? Did you do this, you naughty girl?
What is this? That. What is that? What is this? What did you do? Did you do this? Did you do this right here? Right here. Did you do this?
Did you eat the table? Marley, come here. Did you eat the table? Why did you eat the table? Why did you eat the table? The table's not for eating. Marley.
Come here. Did you eat the cat food? Did you eat the cat food? I think you ate the cat food.
Sadie, what are you doing? Why were you eating the Kleenex? Huh? Why were you eating the Kleenex? That was naughty. That was naughty.
Thor, what is this? What did you do to the shoe? Did you do this? Did you chew up the shoe? Look at this. What is that?